Alright, I'm going to do an unboxing here for this dash cam. So here's what it looks like as we pull this open. Here's the actual dash cam itself. Got a little adhesive there to attach it to the windshield. Little cover for the lens. There's the power button. And there's the power plug and the little memory card right there. Stick that back in there for later. And let's see what else is in the box here. So we've got a cord for power. It's going to connect in the car. It's really long, which is nice depending on where you want to plug it in. You've got plenty of length, but probably too long and not really a way to shorten it, obviously. And we have a second adhesive if we needed to move it somewhere else. And some instruction manuals. Here's a QR code to get the app on your phone. Besides that, not a whole lot as far as instructions of installation. Just kind of answering some questions, troubleshooting, that sort of thing. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed. There is no battery, so it doesn't turn on until it has power from the car. That's a speaker, not a microphone. So I just read through the owner's manual and it said precisely nothing about installing this. Obviously this is an adhesive to stick it to the windshield. It only has a diagram showing it over here, and then the cord kind of going through the crevice here and over your legs and over to this car charging port there. The best I could suggest is just to plug the cord in and kind of see what it would look like and how it would hang. It doesn't include anything to keep it in the corner, and I don't know where you'd even put it over here, so I'm not doing that. I'm just going to put it from here up and put it right underneath my mirror. It also didn't say anything about cleaning the area, but I feel like they always recommend using an alcohol prep pad, so that's what I did. It's still a little bit wet, so I'm going to dry it off here so it's nice and dry. This is just a microfiber cloth. And then remove this adhesive and stick it right there. Okay, so I've got that adhered there. And then, as far as I can tell, again, it doesn't say anything, but I don't think there's any kind of battery. I think this has to be plugged in the whole time to function. So we're gonna plug that in, turn on the battery. I'm getting an indication light there. Start recording. Okay, now let me show you the app. Okay, so this is the app. It is called Go Look, I believe is the name of it. And we have to connect to the Wi-Fi that is transmitted by the dash cam if we want to use the app. Of course, you could also just take out the memory card and plug it into your computer. But if we want to actually see what's on the app, and if you have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, it was fighting. I had to keep telling it I didn't want to reconnect to the Android Auto, so that was kind of a pain, but I can show you anyway how it works. So I can see a live feed of where I'm actually at sitting in the car. I can see how much storage is used, and this part's kind of goofy. If you look at the replay, 12-month 11-day means December 11th, Thursday 11-hour, 12-hour, 19-hour, so it's military time, and then it makes recordings on a 1-minute interval, and so I guess that's kind of nice. You can find, if you know precisely when an incident took place, yeah, we have a 1-minute interval right at whatever that time is. I can't remember what I clicked on. And the video quality seems pretty good. You can see this is even at night, and it seems pretty clear. It did mention somewhere in the user manual that you could have it record while you were parked. I think that must have been for a different model that had a battery, because this one definitely turns off as soon as you turn the car off. I hope this was helpful for you. Seems like a decent product so far. I honestly do not have any experience with the dash cam before this. I did receive this product from the manufacturer, but was not told what to say or compensated for any kind of positive review. So this is my own honest review of the product. And if this was helpful, I hope you'll consider subscribing for more helpful content. Leave a like, leave any comments or questions you have below, and I'll do my best to answer those for you. Thanks for watching.